In the dynamic landscape of business, success often hinges not only on what you know but also on who you know. Networking is a cornerstone of professional growth, enabling entrepreneurs and business professionals to forge valuable connections, exchange insights, and unlock new opportunities. In this video, we'll explore networking strategies crafted for entrepreneurs and business pros, empowering you to expand your network and excel in your pursuits. 1. Embrace the power of authenticity. Authenticity forms the bedrock of meaningful connections. Be genuine in your interactions, conveying sincerity and integrity. Authenticity builds trust and fosters deeper, more lasting relationships within your network. 2. Leverage online platforms. In today's digital age, online platforms like LinkedIn offer unparalleled opportunities for networking. Optimize your profile to showcase your expertise and engage with industry peers through thought-provoking content and meaningful interactions. 3. Attend networking events and conferences. Face-to-face interactions remain invaluable in networking. Attend industry events, conferences, and seminars to meet like-minded professionals, exchange ideas, and establish connections that transcend the digital realm. 4. Give before you receive. Networking isn't just about what you can gain, it's also about what you can contribute. Offer assistance, share insights, and be proactive in helping others within your network. By giving generously, you'll cultivate goodwill and reciprocity. 5. Cultivate a diverse network. Diversity enriches your network, exposing you to a breadth of perspectives and opportunities. Seek out connections from varied backgrounds, industries, and experiences, broadening your horizons and fostering innovation. 6. Follow up and nurture relationships. Building a network is only the beginning. Nurturing relationships is key to long-term success. Follow up promptly after making new connections, stay engaged through regular communication, and offer support whenever possible. 7. Seek mentorship and guidance. Mentorship can accelerate your professional growth by providing invaluable guidance and insights from seasoned experts. Cultivate mentor-mentee relationships within your network, leveraging their wisdom to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. 8. Be strategic in your networking effort. Time is a precious commodity, so be strategic in your networking endeavors. Prioritize connections that align with your goals and values, investing your energy where it will yield the greatest returns. Networking is more than just a professional nicety, it's a strategic imperative for entrepreneurs and business professionals seeking to thrive in today's competitive landscape. By embracing authenticity, leveraging digital platforms, fostering meaningful relationships, and being strategic in your efforts, you can build a robust network that propels you toward success. So, seize every opportunity to connect, collaborate, and grow. Your network may just hold the key to your next breakthrough.